Hey guys, so I am back with another video, and today I want to show you guys the new Stanley FlowState Quencher that I got in the 40 ounce, and this is the deep purple color. It is so beautiful. It has the teal accent, and shout out to my follower Officially Avita. So thank you so much, Officially Avita, for recommending that I go out and get this color. So I always mention in all of my videos that I love, love, love purple. And so she commented and said, I know you love purple, so you may want to go and check out the new deep color that they have, deep purple color that they have in the 40 ounce. So thank you so much. As soon as I saw it and I looked online, I ran out and got it the same day. So thank you so much. And I got this from Dick's Sporting Goods, and they always have the best colors when it comes to Stanleys. That's where I got my other Stanley, which is the 30 ounce in the lavender color. And I am so excited to be able to upgrade and have a larger Stanley. I love the 30 ounce, but when I'm on the go, I think that it'll be really great to be able to carry more water and have 40 ounces. So I just want to quickly go over some of the specs for this one, just to let you know if you're thinking about a Stanley tumbler, like what the benefits are. So of course, right away for me, the benefit is that it keeps your drinks cold for an extended amount of time. So this one is 11 hours for cold drinks and then 2 days for ice drinks. And I personally only use my Stanley for cold drinks, but if you do want to use it for hot drinks, then it will keep those hot for 7 hours. So you can do cold and hot drinks. And it's BPA free. It's made of recycled stainless steel, and it's dishwasher safe. So I don't put mine in the dishwasher because I don't want to risk scratching them up or anything like that. So I have not put this one in the dishwasher. I just hand wash it. So I'm probably going to do the same thing for this one. I did get some things off Amazon that keeps this from leaking. And it allows it to be leak proof. So it comes with 2 pieces here. So you can get the 2 pieces. One goes on the inside of your top, and I'll show you where it goes. So it's gonna go right here, and it's gonna attach there. So that's the one piece. And then you have this piece here, which is gonna go around where your straw would go in. So your straw opening is where you'll get some of the leaks. So instead of putting your straw in that area, you can twist your top because you have different options. You have the option to use a straw, and then you have an option to drink it like out of a regular cup. So you don't have to use a straw for your tumbler. You can just drink it directly out of the top. But in this case, I'm gonna use this area here to attach the other piece that comes with your spill-proof protection, and that's gonna go right in here, and it's gonna go right in that area, and then your straw will go in there instead of the traditional straw area. So just to show you guys, those are some things that you can buy on Amazon to help with leak proofing your tumbler. And then they have some great attachments so that you can cover your straw. So here's a cute one that I got, and then there is one that just came with the purple set that I showed you guys, and it just attaches to your straw and it closes up on the top. So I would definitely recommend getting like a straw cover and just some things to protect your straw and to help with the leaks. They also have these cute like holders for the bottom of your tumbler. So here is a lavender one that I'll probably use for the deep purple, and I got one here for my 30 ounce, and I got this just from Target. It was like $1, and it just kind of protects the bottom of your tumbler. The good thing about these sizes, the 30 ounce and the 40 ounce, is that they go right in your cup holder in your car. And so even though the 40 ounce is larger, they still kept the same bottom portion here, the smaller portion at the bottom, so that it can also go in your cup holder. So both of the bottoms are the same, so you don't have to worry when you get the larger size that it's not gonna fit in your cup holder. It definitely will. So that's a great bonus. Let's see, I also have this straw. Oh, look at this straw, how cute. So a friend of mine gave me this as a present because she knows how much I love purple. So I think that this is gonna go so perfectly with my new tumbler. And I'm gonna replace the straw that came with it, and I'm gonna use this cute straw, and it already comes with the holder, and you see that it fits right in my Stanley straw slot. It fits in there perfectly. So I'm gonna use that, and then I'll have an extra straw that I can swap out for this or my 30 ounce. So that is everything, guys. Look at how cute this is. Let me take this off. I'm gonna take off the tags, and I'm gonna put on my protector on the bottom so that we can see how this looks with all of the cute accessories. I have my protector on the bottom, and I have my swapped out purple sparkly straw with the nice straw holder here. So I'm excited. So thank you guys, and like I mentioned, I'm gonna put links to everything down below if you're interested in getting either the 30 ounce tumbler or the 40 ounce in either of these colors. But like I mentioned, they have a number of colors, styles that you can choose from on Amazon or Dick's, where I got this. They didn't have this color on Amazon. I did check. So, you know, you can just look around at both sites and see what you like. So thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.